What's up, Lafreco? One more time. On today's episode, we're gonna be working on the Fit GK5. We are having right now a little issue with the starting, and gonna check and make sure that it's the starter, and also going to make sure that the new starter is good. So let's get to work. We got the new starter. Two bolts to take it out. Two connections. Power all the time. And the signal to turn on. So let's try this thing out. Right now I'm adding ground and power with starter to simulate that it's on the car. Constant power, constant ground. I also connecting my Power Pro tester. As you guys can see, ground, power. Now with this, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna provide power to the switch, to the connector on the starter, and give power. Just like when you try to turn on the car, it's gonna be doing the same thing. And right there, the starter is working. So I'm going to explain you guys what I'm doing right now. So I just plug in my Power Pro. And now what I'm going to do, I disconnect the signal wire is over there. And since I'm by myself, see, one man only, what I'm doing is I plug in a little wire. I plug in a wire to the signal when you open the switch to crank the car. And now I'm gonna connect this wire to my Power Pro. With this, when I try to crank the car, and I'm gonna put it on a place where it's visible, we're gonna be able to see if I'm receiving the signal when I'm trying to crank the car, since I'm by myself. And I don't know if you guys can see or hear, but I'm receiving signal.
So that signal, that means that the starter is on. Pay close attention to the starters, the new one and the old one, to make sure that they are the same. Make sure that the power connector is in the right position and everything. And now I'm gonna test the old starter, even though I already know that doesn't work. I'm gonna do power and ground one more time and give signal on their connector.
it's tired. You know, sometimes it's coming out, but you're supposed to spin all the way out. You see, just like that. Star. Right there, you want to start. When you do that, the car only gonna click. Just like that. Just like that. Okay? Now, let's put the new one back on. Put the new one on. Let's finish with this.
Trying out the new starter. Turn on. You turn on. You turn on. So new starter in. Work perfectly fine. So we're done. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to subscribe on the channel. Please like and share. And see you guys on the next one. What's up, Palo Fleco? One more time.